Residents of Indiranagar have raised strong objections to a new plan by the BBMP to build a basketball stadium at Victory Grounds in Indiranagar first stage. The proposed 6.5 crore rupees project includes a tensile roof and is expected to begin construction soon. Locals say that this is the only open and free BBMP playground available to both first and second stage residents. It's used daily by children from nearby schools, local families, and those from low-income areas. They fear that turning it into a stadium will limit access and turn a public space into a restricted facility meant for a few. Resident welfare groups argue that the move will reduce the only open space left in the congested neighborhood. They pointed out that this project was earlier stayed by the High Court in 2017 and no public consultation was held this time either. They also raised concerns about increased traffic, pollution, and noise. Residents also worry that taking open space takes away childhood from children. Local groups said the project report wrongly claims the area is surrounded by wide roads, while it is in fact in a quiet residential zone. The residents are demanding that the funds be used instead to improve the existing playground so it remains open and inclusive for everyone.
3 roads away from this Victory ground. And even some time back, I was even playing basketball in the same ground. We have no problem. Basketball ground is already there. Only thing is now if you make it an indoor basketball stadium and you give car parks inside, the other children can't come and play. There are 2 schools there, important schools. Their PT classes are held there every day. They cannot use the ground. Okay, and there are a lot of slums around. They come and play cricket at free of cost. Now where do they go and play? This is our problem, so we want it to be maintained as it is. We don't want that, basketball court specially for training people. We want the status quo of the government.
Sir, today if you see, children prefer to be on mobile phones and they're so tech savvy and to an extent so dependent on technology for their entertainment. If we lose open spaces like grounds, which are provided to us because we are residents of those layouts, where are we to go, sir? Then it's very easy to say, take your children off tech and all those things. But if you take away free spaces which are available for children to cycle, my own son and daughter, they're 6 and 3 years old, they cycle very often in Victory Ground. So it's not fair to do this and take away childhood from youngsters. So, sir, one more thing is we have a close by slum in Binnamangala. Those kids also come and it's an inclusive space. So my children also interact with them. They interact with my kids. They share cycle. These kind of things are essential. You want us to, as parents, to teach values to our kids. When it is available to us, why are you taking it away? It is extremely unfair.
Can I have a name, ma'am?
My name is Shani, sir.
Thank you.
Idea of us having a press meet is one, we got to know about this whole thing. That yet another plan to usurp this land about a couple of days ago. So hence we've had a marathon session of shooting out letters to various folks and also reaching out to Mr. MLC Govindraj, as well as the writing to various authorities and getting the detailed project report out. The contention that we have is the moment you put a structure in place, right, and put world-class facilities as they're claiming it to be, right, it becomes a restrictive space, right? Then it is no more an inclusive place, it's an exclusive place meant for people who are serious about basketball. What if I just want to go and chill on a Saturday evening and play basketball, or somebody wants to do that? And this is a playground that we've had for generations. They have been, all the old boys of Indiranagar, you can ask them in this city, have played at some point in time in their life in that playground. It's so unfortunate that we're constantly fighting to retain that open space. No, it is a civic amenity site. It has been classified as a playground as per the revised master plan, and also as per the open space. When a BDA creates a layout, about 10% of the layout needs to be open space. In case of Indiranagar, we are standing at 2%, right? And we are continuing to enclose these kind of playgrounds. We're just ruining the right to decent life of residents of Indiranagar. Yes, so like I said, we just got to know about it a couple of days ago. So we've already shot off a letter to the EE And now we've shot off a letter to the sitting MLA and the MP and to Mr. Govindraj himself. We will shortly be sending it out to various folks. Last recourse, go to the court, approach the court. See, it's important to note that the State Human Rights Commission itself in the past has taken cognizance, suo motu. Okay, none of us have made a complaint. It was suo motu taken cognizance of this, encroachment that was happening. Despite that, I mean, multiple attempts are being made. It beats me.